This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a TEAGAN ONYX interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.